Yo Tech fam, ditch the bulky screens, it's the age of foldables. Unfolding the hottest picks on the market right now. Google Pixel Fold, Samsung Z Fold 5 and Flip 5, OnePlus Open, and the nostalgic Razr Plus. We're diving deep into specs, cameras, performance, and that all-important price tag. Stay tuned, your next foldable obsession awaits. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Google Pixel Fold. The Google Pixel Fold impresses as a standout hybrid tablet, ideal for Android enthusiasts. Powered by the Google Tensor G2 processor, it ensures a smooth daily experience with 12 GB of RAM and a 4,821 mAh battery featuring 21 watts wired charging. Notable for its flush-closed design, the foldable experience avoids the typical gap, and the versatile hinge supports various angles. The 7.6-inch internal display, while featuring noticeable bezels, delivers stunning visuals, especially for multitasking. Android optimization for foldables enhances the experience, yet minor quirks in window resizing may be noticeable. As a first-generation product, the Pixel Fold shows promise, and future iterations like the Pixel Fold 2 are expected to refine the series further. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 stands out as a top-tier foldable device, showcasing improvements like a brighter 7.6-inch internal display, a fully flat-folding hinge, and a lighter design. Positioned as a hybrid tablet, its foldable nature enhances multitasking with a spacious, unfolded screen and a secondary 6.2-inch display. The IPX8 rating adds durability. Samsung's expertise in foldable technology is evident in the reliable and refined Flex hinge. One UI's software optimizations enable running 3 apps simultaneously and customizing home screens for both displays. However, the premium price, considerable weight, thickness, and battery life may deter some users, despite the device's advanced features and capabilities. Number 3. OnePlus Open. The OnePlus Open presents a compelling option for users seeking a more affordable foldable device at $1,699.99. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and 16 GB of RAM, it delivers commendable performance, and its robust battery life exceeds a day on average. The 67W wired charging capability adds convenience. The cameras offer surprisingly good performance by OnePlus standards. However, some drawbacks include a lower durability with an IPX4 rating, absence of wireless charging, and a less polished software experience compared to competitors like Samsung and Google. Despite these considerations, unique features like the canvas function set it apart, making the OnePlus Open a commendable first attempt, with potential for further refinement in future iterations. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. The Samsung Z Flip 5 introduces significant improvements, particularly to its Flex window, transforming the cover screen into a 3.4-inch Flex window with a unique folder-like shape and enhanced widgets. The outer display now supports running full apps, albeit in experimental stages. Internally, the Z Flip 5 boasts a gapless folding display and upgraded internals, featuring the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Despite similarities to the Flip 4, including the 3,700 mAh battery, cameras, and 8 GB of RAM, the Z Flip 5 no longer offers a 128 GB storage variant, only providing 256 GB and 512 GB configurations. With its attractive design and improved features, the Z Flip 5 aims to make folding phones more accessible, despite average battery life and occasional performance concerns highlighted in reviews. Number 5. Motorola Razr Plus. Motorola's entry into the foldable phone market, the Razr Plus, also known as Razr 40 Ultra in some markets, features a design reminiscent of devices like the Flip, but stands out with its supersized 3.6-inch front display. Notably, it was the first to officially support all apps on the front screen. Internally, it houses the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of storage. The dual camera setup includes a 12MP wide and a 13MP ultra-wide shooter. Priced at $999.99 in the United States, the Razr Plus offers affordability. coupled with a dust-resistant IP52 rating, commendable software, fast charging options, and solid performance as highlighted in reviews. Confused by all these amazing foldables? Don't sweat it. The best one depends on you. Budget baller? Razer might be your jam. Productivity beast? Z Fold 5 reigns supreme. Pixel